Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the phone and yourself. Make sure battery is above 30% and your OS is updated so the sensor firmware is current. This reduces failures. Clean the scanner and use a dry finger for consistent reads. Now open Settings, go to Security or Biometrics, and select Fingerprint Enrollment. You'll be prompted for a backup PIN or pattern. Create one because the system needs an alternative unlock method. Tap Add Fingerprint to start capturing prints. You now perform the detailed capture. Place multiple parts of the same finger on the sensor, changing angle and position so the algorithm maps center and edges. Repeat about 10 to 15 placements until progress is full. Apply firm, steady pressure. Too light misses data, too hard distorts. Once the scan completes, name the fingerprint so you can manage it later. For reliability, enroll a second finger or the same finger with a slightly different angle. This reduces false rejects in daily use. You finish by validating the setup. Test unlocking 5 times from typical positions and in low-light conditions to confirm speed and accuracy. Make sure a fallback PIN or pattern is active so you aren't locked out. If you see failures, inspect the sensor for dirt or residue and remove obstructing cases. Moisture and oils are common culprits. If problems persist, delete the fingerprint data and re-enroll with careful angle variation. This typically resolves persistent false rejects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.